Welcome to this video, where we will walk through how to change your username in your GoDaddy account in a clear and simple way. In this tutorial, you will learn exactly where each setting is located, so you can update your login details. First, log into your GoDaddy account. Next, once you're on the dashboard, click the small arrow beside your profile picture. Then, from the menu that appears, select Account Settings. After that, look at the left sidebar and select the Security section. Next, scroll until you find the section labeled Login Info, which is where your username and other login details are stored. Then, enter your new desired username in the field provided. Finally, click on Save to apply the changes and update your username successfully. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing to the channel, liking the video, and sharing it with others.